Hello everyone, this is CVGAnton and I'm here to do the Alienware M18x R2 unboxing. I just got this. As you can see here, it's not a big box, not the packaging you'd see in the other videos. Just a plain old box, nothing special about it. And not the huge packaging you saw from any other openings on YouTube if you looked. So let's just do the opening here for the first time. Take a look what's in there. Okay. Oh, okay, it's good to see that they got some of the stuff that I've seen on the other videos. I was kind of concerned because the box was pretty thin. Okay, we got the standard mouse with the steel cover, or the aluminum plated mouse cover pad, sorry. And here we've got our manuals and discs. At least it came in a case, which is nice. I was kind of hoping for that long box that had the hardcover on it. That would have been better, but it's the first Alienware I've got. But at least the discs are there, the manuals are there. That's good. Happy about that. Little sleeve cover for the box. And we've got our power supply. It's a power cable and the brick. I hope I'm getting this all in frame here for you. And here is the laptop. It comes in the cloth case here, which is good. I'll check the quality of that in a second. Alright, the quality is pretty nice. Stitching's good. It's nice and soft, so it's not cheap on there. But there's no hat, there's no hardcover casing to put for the manual and put the CDs in. That's kind of disappointing. Could have stuck that in. I mean, it doesn't cost Dell anything. So here it is. Okay, it's a nice looking laptop. Nice and big. Nice set of keys. Let's turn it on and see what we get. Quasar blue, which is what I asked for. Starting Windows. Okay, well, once this starts up, I'll take a look at what Windows looks like. Just have a look around here as waiting for it to go. Nice, I like that media card reader and the Blu-ray. Audio ports, USB. Don't know what that one's for. Okay, this is going to be fun setting up.